It's pretty stunning. It's like Switzerland.
Yeah, it's very clean and well kept. The ride here from Eskişehir is very convenient. 1 hour, but straight, direct.
Minibus.
A minibus.
In this video, we are embarking on a journey from Eskişehir to the charming town of Sivrihisar. If you are looking for a day trip filled with history and culture, join us as we discover how to get to Sivrihisar by minibus and the top things to see to make the most of your visit. Let's get started. Sivrihisar is a town in the Eskişehir province. It is located southwest of Ankara and southeast of Istanbul. It is just around 100 kilometers southeast of Eskişehir. We are here at the Eskişehir bus station, where our journey to Sivrihisar begins. Catching a minibus here is easy and affordable. You can look for this ticket counter to get your tickets at the station. A one-way ticket will cost you around 110 Turkish lira. And the ride takes about an hour. These minibuses run every hour, so you have got plenty of options throughout the day. Just check the latest bus schedule from the minibus company Instagram account. We even sent a message on Instagram to confirm where and when to take the minibus. The staff will respond to your message. As we make our way to Sivrihisar, you will notice the stunning landscapes outside. It is a great opportunity to see the Turkish countryside unfold right before your eyes. And here we are in Sivrihisar.
So, first impressions, Kim? We just got off the bus and walked 100 meters.
It's pretty stunning. It's like Switzerland.
Yeah, it's very clean and well kept. The ride here from Eskişehir is very convenient.
1 hour.
1 hour, but straight, direct, and very relaxed. Yeah.
By minibus.
A minibus. It's so relaxing. One of the guys on the bus fell asleep. He was sleeping a bit. So, but yeah, let's continue to wander in.
This town is known for its rich history and picturesque architecture. Let's explore some of the must-visit spots. Our first stop is the Sivrihisar Grand Mosque, an architectural marvel dating back to the 13th century. Take a look at the details of the wooden work. It is truly a testament to Ottoman craftsmanship.
Just came out of the Great Mosque, wooden structure here. Pretty epic. Lots of wooden support beams, which is really pillars,
Yeah,
I guess.
there are 76 wooden columns supporting this mosque.
Mm-hmm.
And the roof is made up of tree trunks.
Yes, it's very epic, actually.
Yes, it is very different from the mosque that we have visited.
Yes, it's quite peaceful in there because it's between prayers right now. So we were able to wander around a little bit freely. There's only a handful of people coming and going. Just quite epic, just the sheer size of it, actually. This is a big building. If I understood it correctly, it could hold 1,700 people. I'm not sure if we understood the sign correctly, but definitely a very large structure.
I'm impressed with the ladies section.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
It
view.
is up, it is second level, and then when you look down, it is like quite stunning, the view.
Yeah, and just the sheer age of everything we're talking about here. We're talking like an 800-year-old building.
Yeah.
And there's another section too that was a little bit older as well. The whole building, 800 years wood structure is quite epic to look at.
1274.
1274.
Yes, this mosque.
So anyways,
And we have to check out if it is inscribed in a UNESCO World Heritage.
Behind me, you can see this little blue sign that
Yeah,
says
the purple.
says UNESCO, but last time I checked it was a tentative site. So maybe the things have changed.
Yeah.
So we'll look into that to find out.
Maybe it has changed because they charge for the washroom.
That's our theory.
Yeah.
That's our running joke. UNESCO sites charge for washrooms.
Yeah.
And, tentative sites do not. They charge 5 lira for anyone who needs to know that. It's all joking aside. It's quite epic and has very good potential to become a World Heritage Site.
Or it has been.
Or it has
Yeah.
just recently.
Yeah.
So it's still a hidden gem at the moment. Very
Okay.
nice.
Let's go.
Let's go.
There is an observation deck that you can climb up and get a full view of the town of Sivrihisar. From there, you can find a clock tower as well.
Just a beautiful town here. It has 9 mosques, and one of them, which is coming into the center of view right now, Great Mosque, is 800 years old. Wooden frame construction. Very significant. But just a lovely town to come visit. If you're ever in the area. Highly recommend the observation deck. So Camii, what are you thinking? What you
It
expected?
doesn't look like Turkey.
No?
Yeah.
Very different?
Yeah.
Mind you more of like a Switzerland or something like this where,
Yeah, the mountain reminds me of Bangkok or Switzerland.
oh yeah, it's like New Zealand or
Yeah.
this kind of thing.
Yeah.
Or a little town nestled at the base of the mountain. Yeah, it's quite nice. It's very epic.
And the town itself is pretty lovely too.
Yeah, they've really done a nice job of restoring sections here the ones that we've walked through, and a great deal of history too. That was the reason we came. We actually didn't expect the town to be done up like this. We figured it was just a quiet town with a couple history components.
Just behind the observation deck, there is an outdoor museum with a lot of sculpture. It is worth taking a walk. Just a short walk away, we visited the Zaimağa mansion, which was used as a meeting place during the Independence War. A lot of the important decisions during the Independence War was made here. So that's why there are a lot of recreated scenes in the mansion to showcase the history at that time.
This is super real. Yeah.
The mansion that we're in right now is completely empty except for the one attendant who's downstairs. She's on the phone. So when we came in this room, we were kind of shocked because
We saw this.
we saw this and we weren't expecting people.
And then you see Anna Turk, the great man, is staring at us.
They're negotiating, if I understand correctly, the end of World War I.
Yeah.
So they're talking with the Soviet counterparts in this mansion. This mansion was used for that purpose.
When we first come in, we saw this man. Always scare us.
Every time we come down the stairs and turn the corner, he's there. Very realistic.
Very realistic. It's the same height as Chris.
A little tall.
Yeah, a little taller. But he just scared us.
We also came across a Holy Trinity Church, which was an Armenian temple in the former Armenian quarter of Sivrihisar. It was used as a store after the Armenians of the town had been deported and killed during the Armenian Genocide. After the Armenian Genocide in 1915, the church stood empty. After walking around Sivrihisar for a full day, it is time to find our way back to Eskişehir.
There actually is a bus station here. You basically just find the buses at the appropriate time. They leave on the hour, heading back to Eskişehir. And you would pay the driver when you exit the bus in Eskişehir. All this is located about 50 meters from the last stop, which, well, at least where we got off earlier today, which is the roundabout at the very end of the main road, next to City Hall.
Yeah, next to City Hall.
Yeah.
There is a cute little guy.
Yeah, it's like
it
almost looks like a mascot,
Yeah.
a sultan.
Yeah.
So that's where you'll find the station, and that's where the buses will wait until they depart at around on the hour. Yeah, so it's all very civilized. So we'll just look for this place. And they also pick up people on the main road, from what we can tell. So anything along the road with the butterflies and the lots of traffic. So they can also get along that road and flag them down. So we'll watch how that plays out.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you will find this video useful in planning your budget travel journey in Turkey. Please give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you want to know more about how to get to some hidden gems around the world with buses and trains, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until then, happy travels!